Welcome to English Storyteller O2. Want to speak English naturally and confidently? You're in the right place. Here, you'll find engaging stories, real-life conversations, and practical phrases to improve your English fluency. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, our content will help you speak like a native. Subscribe now and start your English learning journey today. Title: Booking a hotel and a flight, a natural conversation. Scene 1. Booking a flight. Characters: Alex, traveler, and Sarah, airline agent. Alex: Hi, I'd like to book a flight to New York for next Monday. Do you have any available seats?
Sarah, let me check. Yes, we have several flights that day. Would you prefer morning or evening?
Alex: Morning would be great. What's the earliest flight?
Sarah, the earliest flight leaves at 7:30 a.m.
Alex: That works. How much is the ticket?
Sarah, the economy ticket is $320 and business class is $750.
Alex: I'll go with economy. Do I get a free checked bag?
Sarah, yes, one checked bag up to 23 kilograms is included.
Alex: Great. Can I choose my seat?
Sarah, yes, would you like a window or aisle seat?
Alex: Window, please.
Sarah, done. Your flight is confirmed. You'll receive an email with the details.
Alex: Thanks a lot. Scene 2. Booking a hotel. Characters: Alex, traveler, and John, hotel receptionist. Alex: Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, starting next Monday. Do you have any availability?
John: Yes, we have a few options. Would you like a standard room or a deluxe room?
Alex: What's the difference?
John: The standard room is $80 per night, and the deluxe is $120. The deluxe has a better view and a bigger bed.
Alex: I'll take the standard room. Is breakfast included? John: Yes, complimentary breakfast is included. Alex: Perfect. What time is check-in?
John: Check-in starts at 3 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m.
Alex: Got it. Can I pay now or at check-in?
John: You can pay at check-in. We accept credit cards and cash.
Alex: Sounds good. Please book it under Alex Carter.
John: Done. Your room is confirmed.
Alex: Thanks. See you on Monday.